Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Yo, right now we're in the middle of nowhere, in a bush. So when I say love nature and adaptation, I real talk. Pretty much here over the bush. About to clear some pathway right now to be able to prepare for my bees and to put on them like maybe tomorrow or so. So that's the pre right now. I was supposed to be here from early this morning. Now it's 11:36. You don't know, I couldn't wake up. Well, I could have, but you know, it's been a while since I have like a day off. So I'm gonna do right now real quick and take it in the bush. So, you got that message me, you know. Peace.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
I can smell all the green, guys. Yo, Jano. But anyway, over there you can see my Gobag zone. That's like a chemical that help to, you know, kill weeds and stuff like that. Of course, I have me, the person who's doing the work. I have my machete. You know, so real quick. My machete real quick. I got a bottle of water. Of course, I want the water boots, long jeans. Should have carried a long shirt, but I sweat a lot, and that's something that I forgot to carry an extra shirt so I can drive back home feeling a little bit more comfortable. But I tell you pre right now, you guys can see part here, so like how it overgrown. I have to drive through that real quick. So I'm going now and get at it. I don't know how much I can show you guys because yo, remember I say you're in a bush. I carry an extra battery just in case still, but I go, you know, as always guys, I try to show you as much as possible. And you know, you guys will see the growth of this thing, see how well it turns out or if it fails. So you don't know, keep link. I swear I feel like I carry on the back already, because that camera I feel chunky in my pants, I swear. But I'm buck up on a big old spider and I can't see it still. Camera not really spot it out, but I'm a big old dirty spider. Channel start. Don't mind me, I might just check into the jungle. Guys, if I want thing I'm glad for, Jamaica have snake and anacondas and them something there. I'm putting it over here, so. Right now guys, I'm in this big beautiful expanse. Seems like a good area. Has enough sunlight. But here has good sunlight. I wouldn't necessarily go over here because it's a bit too damp, but over here has pretty decent sunlight, so let's see. The spider I saw before was like 3 times the size of this. And he's maybe like here. Anyway, I'm gonna start clearing this place a little bit better. Maybe once we kind of remove that tree there, slowly but surely, because that took up some shade. But yeah, see guys, I have the place sort of chopped down. I just chopped it far enough to get to like the roots, because down there it's like so soft and have a whole heap of that dead leaf matter down there. So chopped it this much, pretty much. And now I'm gonna squeeze the Gobag zone to finish it off. That's gonna burn it out pretty much, and then by tomorrow it should be all dead and I should be able to safely move the bees. I have on my glasses as well, just in case. Well, you're supposed to have it on, but I forgot to tell you I had the glasses, so mad. I feel like a stalker now, guys. I can hear someone over there. I can see him too. My little bee one. I think we gotta run. Guys, I swear, you know, see myself I carry around this again. Yo, because if you hold the camera in the back pocket, it's so freaking tight, isn't it? Okay, whenever I take you guys back here again, it's gonna be like maybe putting down the bees. Maybe tomorrow I take you guys back here. But then after that, I'll show you like progression, so you don't have to come around here with me all the time. And yeah, I know some of you probably think say like, you know, pretty boy type of person or a vlogger or whatever. Yo, far from it, dog. Like me like a balance in a life. I think everybody should try to strike a balance in a life. I always want to achieve to have like a townhouse. Is me like type of Miami type of vibe. but I never control us because no matter what, like, your mind need for de-stress, isn't it? Mankind wasn't designed to live in the city. We never designed them. We were designed to listen to the birds and the bees. When I feel calm down. You hear that? Shh. Just listen. But I kinda miss Wi-Fi right now still. Oh God, guys. This right now is the biggest relief I've ever feel now in a long time. I take off the hot pants and the water boot there. Yo, Jamaica hot, you know? Oh, deep man. I'm low key right now out here, so my boxes are alone. You see me? Mosquito bite me. I'm leaving business. I'm just going to suck. Go and do anything. Sorry. Oh, I'm just there, so I'm just having meds to myself a while ago. I want to big up some people really quick. Definitely want to big up Donna. You see me? New to the vlog, new to the subscription. You see me on the vlog too. Big up Davin, big up Judah. Big up some people who comment on the video them, like, yeah, I just have a go for my phone to make sure to remember some of the name them. Big up people like Charlene, always leave some inspiring things, comments on the vlog, I always respect that. Big up Canadian Mom and Ruly Reina. Who else I have to big up? You see me? Them are the people that I can remember off the top of my head. Oh, Beautiful Eyes, big up yourself, isn't it? Yo, I kind of respect when people comment on the vlog sometimes. Some of them give me, you know, tips and insiders, because, yo, I'm a regular person that's living in the world, and there's a lot of stuff that I don't know, a lot of stuff I don't understand, that a lot of us don't understand, and that's the beauty of YouTube, you know. It's not just about, yo, watching somebody live and go, haha, yo, man, my thing, I don't want to be like them, or, you see me? We can do this better, It's pretty much about how to share stuff that we know, you see me, build together. So that's why YouTube calls it a community. And that's what we're trying to build right here. Oh, and I didn't really announce it, but you know, we're over 500 subscribers. Big man thing. That for me is a big milestone. So for all of those of you who have stuck around the channel and been watching, is me, big up on yourself on that, is me. But anyway, I'ma head home. I don't know if I want to continue this vlog. I might just make a different vlog for today because I have some stuff to do on the road. But I'm gonna try to give you guys a little bit more vlogs. Remember to check out How's Ibby, that's HOWS IBBY. That's my other channel. You can find the link on the channel here, or you can go to the channel section and also find it. And over there I'm gonna do like some how-tos, you know, some funny stuff, pretty much. Not like skits or anything like that, but you know, to give you guys more content, because I can't vlog every single day. So far I've been doing at least 2 vlogs every single week. I've been very consistent with that, and on average. And with this other channel now, I can give you guys more content. I can teach you guys something that I know, or we can learn and explore some other stuff together. Anyway guys, I'm getting tied up. Peace. But oh, and guys, I don't know if I did update you guys, but you know, before I had my bees over here, and I think I told you guys they were over here for like over a year. And I came back the other day, I didn't find anything of them, like no sign, no boxes. I don't know if termite ate them. Not ate the bees, but because bees have a tendency to abscond. Abscond means to leave and seek somewhere else. And they do that whenever, let's say, the area is not suitable enough. And because it's me as a man putting them there, it's only suitable as long as I upkeep it, meaning like I don't let the bush grow over the entrance, because the harder it is for them to get into the hive, it's going to be more unpleasant. So I don't know if that happened or whatever, or someone took them. And to be honest, as I feel right now, what I'm kind of going through. But I mean, honestly, if someone did take them, I have no qualms with it. Reason being, they were not being kept, and if someone could take them to put them to better use, then so be. But I kind of feel like termite really damaged them, because like over that section got really wet and whatever. Just an update on this basic area. You have, you know, people, the squatters, people just whole heap of stuff over here. Some persons like dump garbage, whatever, which I don't really like. The guy that was in the van, I don't know what he was doing. If he was dumping crap, which I'm picking up something, because there's like a little squatters people somewhere over there, so I don't know. I don't see them over there anymore. But you see me personally, I'm doing this for myself, but also it's also to help the environment. So I hope I don't really have to face anything negative over here, because yo, trust me, all 3 dropped down for my hive them last time, and it was a lot of stress, and yes, I kind of hope I don't really have to go through that anymore. But you know what, I'll go definitely end the vlog, this vlog here. So remember these 3 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, guys, to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and always keep the link. More vlogs.
All I am is a man.